Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
Hey you guys, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be getting it all done with a variety of things, but we're starting off today in my basement, which I did warn you guys would be the worst to pack because I have this pile of laundry down there that have just been getting neglected. I've just been washing basically what we need on an everyday to day basis. I have no excuse. I feel like I use motherhood and the baby so much as an excuse that now it's just like I can't keep using that. So it's just me. I neglected it and I procrastinated. So I just did some YouTube magic to get rid of all that and get it all washed because it took forever to sort it out. I sorted it out with shirts, pants, and work clothes. I did all that just so when I'm packing I can label everything shirts, pants, work clothes, so I know where everything goes and what everything is, just in case I don't get to unpack as quick when we get to the new house and I need work shirts or something. I know which box it's in. So I did that. I'm folding all the laundry now. It's gonna be a ton of folding, and then I'm gonna be packing our clothes up. And what I did was pack majority of our clothes, but I left out the necessities like my husband's work shirts and a couple shirts for me because I don't want to keep going into boxes to get my clothes. So that's that. And then I just wanted to update you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know this. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle down below. I kind of update there more frequently. So if you do want more frequent updates, you can go ahead and follow me on there. I did post how the reason why I've been posting videos every 2 weeks instead of every week like I'm used to, or like you guys are probably used to, is because it's just been a lot of stress going on with the move and dealing with lawyers and mortgage and all that stuff. Not only that, but the baby is teething, she hasn't been sleeping, and then my sister-in-law's wedding was this week. It was actually 2 days ago from right now when I'm filming this voiceover. And so that was stressing me out because it was going to be the first time that the baby was away from me, and she breastfeeds, so I didn't know if she was going to have to take the bottle, if she would take the bottle from my mom, but she didn't, so I ended up having to leave the wedding earlier. And then I also had to go to the wedding myself because last minute my husband actually got a stomach bug and was completely a wreck, in pain, like very much in pain, and as well as vomiting a bit and a fever and all that stuff. So it was just for me it was like really, really stressful, and I'm just not the type of person that can handle so much at one time. So when I have a lot of things going on in my life, something gets put on the back burner, which in this case had to be, you know, recording and posting as frequently as I do. I do struggle with anxiety, and to be honest, I think I might be going through postpartum anxiety because it has been worse ever since I had my daughter. And I actually did reach out to a therapist to get it all sorted out, and I'm getting my insurance sorted out and all that stuff so I can handle this. But pretty much that's the reason why I haven't been posting as frequently. I'm hoping that once the stress, you know, eases up a bit and we're in the new house and we get ourselves settled in, that I'll be able to start posting every week again. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to update you guys and let you know what's going on. And yeah, we're just gonna fold this clothes and I'll catch up with you guys later.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Okay, you guys, so my camera died while I was folding, but I finished folding all of my shirts. These are all my husband's shirts. These are literally all his shirts. So apart from a few that I put to the side for his job. So I'm gonna close this up and mark his shirts so that I can just unpack it when we get to the next house. And then this is gonna be all of my shirts. I still have more in the wash as well as pants, which I think are all gonna fit in there, so I'm not closing that box. But I'm gonna close this box, and then because my sister-in-law's wedding is next weekend and we're busy with packing, I have to steam my dress and my husband's clothes that he's gonna wear with the steamer over there. And then we're just gonna declutter after that, and then that's it.
Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
So now I'm just steaming our wedding attire. I was a bridesmaid in her wedding, so I wanted to steam it really good so I didn't have wrinkles or anything like that. After this, I'm gonna go through a quick haul. I went kind of crazy at H&M with baby clothes because I wanted to do winter shopping early, and you guys are gonna see I bought a ton of stuff.
Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh.
Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna take you through a huge haul that I did at H&M. As you can see, it's really huge, but can you blame me? All their stuff is so cute. This is a winter haul, so I don't really have any winter clothes for her or clothes that are 12 months and up, which is what she's gonna be around winter time. So I went on H&M because I was in search of like neutral. I don't know if you hear my baby. She's screaming in the background with my husband downstairs. But I was in the search for neutral tones because most of the clothes that I had for her, and not by choice because most of it was from the baby shower, is all pink and flowery and designs and stuff, and I just want it to be a little more stylish, like neutral colors. So I went on a haul and they had such cute stuff that I kind of went crazy, and my husband kind of got at me for it. But yeah, let's jump in. So first we're gonna go look at the shoes. I am obsessed. She has no shoes, so these are her first pairs of shoes. You see these little sneakers, they're actually Harry Potter Hogwarts. I don't even know how to say it. And then these cute mustard looking shoes. They have a little panda on the tongue. And then we got these neutral beige shoes that kind of look like Vans with straps. And then the same type of style but in Minnie Mouse. She's obsessed with Mickey Mouse Clubhouse and Minnie Mouse and all that stuff. So I was so happy to be able to get her something with Minnie Mouse, and that's not the only thing that I've got. Then I got a bunch of neutral tone socks in her size. I got some tights to go with a shirt or something like that, or under a skirt. I got her some hats, a little bunny ear hat, and then a cheetah print. I love it, a cheetah print hat that comes with a little scarf. Now for jackets, I got her quite a few because again, I don't have a lot. These are like sweaters, like fleece sweaters. So I got her a cheetah print one. I love this one. I love this one so much. Then I got her an all white one that's kind of like a fuzzy material. And then I got her a Mickey Mouse one. And then I also got her a cheetah print like water jacket, kind of like a windbreaker. And my idea why I got her all these print jackets is because I got her a bunch of neutral shirts and pants that I'm going to show you in a second. And then you can just style that real nice with a printed jacket or hoodie over a neutral outfit. So that's that. I got her some, these are the only pair of jeans that I got her. They're the only ones that I like. They're super cute. And then over here, I got her it came in a pack like this of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 5 onesies. They're long sleeve. So you compare these with these joggers over here, and these also came in a 5-pack. So it has gray, it has green with some dots, kind of like a cream with cheetah print, kind of, and then another darker cream with some dots, and then a real nice like taupe color. I don't know if that's how you say it, whatever. But those will pair really nice with this, or even these could pair nice with these jeans, and then one of these sweaters on top of it. And then I got her this 2-pack pullovers, really cute. It's like a cream color and then like a brownish color that came in a 2-pack. And then the last thing here is this jogger set, and I actually have a jogger set like this, so I'm so excited we can match. It's just a pullover sweater and the matching joggers. So yeah guys, I went seriously crazy, but I'm so excited. She's all set for the winter. If you guys are looking for neutral baby clothes, H&M is definitely the place. H&M and Shein. No, not Shein. The baby Shein is called Pat Pat. It's an app. I also have stuff coming from there. When I get it, I'll also show you guys a haul. But both of those places have neutral baby clothes. Pat Pat is a little more affordable, but H&M has some really good deals too.
I better get started. It's time to get my head up again.
Now, as promised, we're going to be doing some decluttering in my downstairs bathroom. I already did the upstairs bathroom, and I already did in general a lot of packing and decluttering off camera, just because, like I said, the stress has been too much to record everything, and it's way more faster when you're just doing it to do it, because you don't have to move the camera a million different times. And so I'm just showing you guys what I can and what's not that stressful to me to do. So you guys are not seeing all of the packing and decluttering that's really going into this whole move, but I am showing you guys bits of it and showing you how bad it really is and how bad I did let the house get throughout my entire like postpartum period. So yeah, I'm just gonna be decluttering this vanity and getting rid of everything that I don't need, and then I'm only keeping things that I use every single day inside of the vanity because I don't want to pack it yet, and then I'm packing everything else that's like extras or things that I know I'm not gonna need from here to the closing date.
I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be.
So now I'm just going to be decluttering the bottom half of the vanity, this basket, which became a complete catch-all. I'm going to declutter that, get rid of everything that I do not need, and pack everything that I will need, but not right now. And then I'm going to keep all my hair tools in here, like my straightener, curler, blow dryer, all that stuff in there. And then I'm also going to be decluttering my 2 makeup bags that are back there. I have a ton of makeup that I've tried and didn't use that I need to get rid of, and also a ton of brushes that I just overbought, to be honest, and then I tried them and I didn't like the way they worked, so I gotta declutter all of that. My camera did shut off in the middle of me doing this, so you're gonna see kind of like a time lapse towards the end. I don't know what was going on with my camera. It seemed like a full charge was only lasting like a half hour, so yeah, I'll catch up with you guys after.
Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out.
So this is where the camera shut off on me right about now, so I'm just going to show you guys the other makeup bag and how I decluttered and organized that, and then we're at the end of today's video. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and staying thus far. If you're still here, remember to follow me on Instagram if you're not already for more updates on this entire process. And if you're not subscribed already, I would love it if you would stay and join the family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.